Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I'm feeling generous today since we are going to be closing out our leases, any new ones, December the 15th, 2024. And I've been shopping around today, looking at different deals, and I never do coupons, but today I'm going to do a Black Friday coupon, and it's going to be called a 2024 Last Chance. This coupon is limited, so let's just hope that you get in. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So once you get the link to sign up, then there's a coupon, and the coupon code is 2024 Last Chance. You apply this coupon and you get $200 off the first month. This will go to $1,300 the next month, but once you click the apply coupon, it'll give you $200 off today. This will expire midnight Eastern time tonight. So if you're wanting to do it, right now it's the time. You save $200. Tomorrow it won't work. It's only for today. It's a limited number of coupons too. So once you if you hit it and it doesn't work, then the amount has been hit. I won't say the amount, but it's a generous amount. And once you get there, then it's actually going to be the first 50 people. I'll just say it. The first 50 people, you'll get $200 off today only. It will not work after midnight or on the 51st person. So if you want to do it, you better do it quick. I know there's a lot of people that's been waiting for this, been asking for a coupon. And I'm feeling generous just because of all the deals that I have gotten today. And I want you to get started as well. $200 off. Remember, the coupon code is 2024 Last Chance. I'll put it down in the description. And it's the first 50 people. First 50 and it goes away. So get on it now. You better hurry before other people use the coupon. Have a great day. Happy Black Friday.